In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase your sales by 70% on Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners with simple strategy. It's only 3 steps, but before we get there, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button because I'm going to be making more videos of how to make money online and you don't want to miss them. So let's go to work. Let's go ahead and get started with the 3 strategies that I told you about. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginner strategy. I just want to make something very clear. This is not going to be only applicable for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing as a beginner. You can also use it with other affiliate networks, even if you're a beginner or non-beginner. For example, you can use it with ClickBank affiliate marketing network. So let's go ahead and get started here. Number 1, Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners to success secrets that you wish your guru that you're following told you about. Number 2, $2,000 Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners free bonus. That's true. I'm going to give you a free bonus. However, you cannot skip. If you skip it, you're going to miss it. I just want to say it again. You will miss it. Number 3, Digistore 24 affiliate marketing fast traffic booster secrets. A lot of people asking me about this. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners bonus. Now, this bonus was designed for my subscribers on this page. So if you're a subscriber, you should have already gotten it. If you did not get it, I'm going to tell you how to get it. So sorry, I'm moving around a little bit. The idea for this is I don't want the whole world know about these strategies because a lot of gurus don't know about them or just don't talk about them. What's in that bonus? This is perfect for Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners. Number 1, you'll receive a pre-built Digistore 24 affiliate marketing automated funnel. Number 2, bridge page, landing page, automated email sequence. By the way, I picked a winning product. So if you want to do that product, for example, promote that product on Digistore 24 or any other affiliate marketing network as a beginner, it's a winning product. Number 5, free email auto responder already there. And number 6, which is the best thing, is that you can download all of it with just one click of a button. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing automated funnel. Now you're probably wondering, okay, so what's in this? Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the first thing. The product that I got is from Digistore 24. So I built it with a free traffic in mind, and the best one for this product to do is Pinterest.com. Pinterest.com is the best traffic source, whether paid or unpaid. After that, I created a pin. This is a pin for you to post on your account on Pinterest.com. This is what I call a value pin. You have to understand that by watching whatever I'm going to send to you because I'm going to explain it. You already also have access to that. In case you don't, make sure you do. Now, this is not going to only do it by itself. You're going to have to post more than that. I give you bridge page and then opt-in page, and I send you straight to the affiliate sales page. Now, there are some other stuff that you need to understand before you send them to affiliate sales page, but you do have that option, and I made it very clear in my videos. So make sure to watch the videos because these videos have a lot of value. These are cost thousands and thousands of dollars, and I'm surprised that some people don't know about them, or they ask me about it, and I already have the video because they just didn't watch it. A few people really hitting it hard and making money by just watching these videos, or you can just purchase some courses, which I'm not going to sell you a course on this channel. To access all the Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginner or beginners or beginner funnel for free, you can do that for free or you can pay for it. It's up to you. In case you want to get it for free, you must be a supporter of this channel. What does that mean? That means you have to be a subscriber. I can tell whether you are a subscriber or not, and I can tell if you are sharing the video, which is number 2. You must share the video. Why am I saying that? Because we want to support this channel, and the only way we can support this channel and not pull my people that working on other projects and bring them here is for this channel to support itself. So you gotta share a video. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing automated funnel request. In case you have it, that's fine. Some people already have it. They're subscribers. Few of them are very happy because they are actually making very good money. And I'm surprised because they're brand new. So in case you want it, whether you are a subscriber or not, you have to send me a request in the comment area. All you have to put in the comment below, make a comment, say, Mark, please send me the Digistore 24 affiliate marketing automated funnel. So I know you want the automated funnel. I will send it to you. Digistore 24 affiliate marketing for beginners success secrets. And this is where you really have to pay a lot of attention. To the point that this slide, if you understand it, you'll be ahead of 97% of all online marketers in the world. How do I know that? Because I have done mentoring for over 1,200 people. And when we implemented this, their sales skyrocketed by 70% by just doing a few things. Whether you get in the traffic from a paid traffic or free traffic from social media, whether paid or not, it really doesn't matter. The system that I'm going to send you is going to send people to the bridge page automatically. All this is automated and opt-in, and then it's going to send them to the autoresponder, all that automatically. See, what does that mean? When somebody comes to your, let's say, your Pinterest and click on one of your pins, it's going to go to a bridge page, and then I'm going to take them to the opt-in page. When they opt in, their email address, two things are going to happen at the same time. One of them is that they're going to go straight. Their email address is going to go to your own free autoresponder. By the way, everything is free that I'm giving you. And it's the same autoresponder that I actually use. The second thing that is going to happen is going to go to the affiliate sales page. And here's where the issue is that you need to pay attention to. Otherwise, things bad are going to happen in case you're not following what I am saying. It really doesn't matter if you're a beginner or not beginner. Things are changing. Number one is that you have to have a link, a buffer zone, which is, I have it right here. It's the bridge page and the opt-in page. What does that mean? That means when the social media, they actually don't like any affiliate marketers, period. They just don't like them. They hate them. So what they do, they're going to be looking at where you send in people to. So what I did is I put a bridge page, got nothing to do with the sales affiliate page. It's got nothing to do with that. When they opt in, I put two buffers. When they opt in right here, even if they followed this, they go to an opt-in page, which got nothing to do with sales affiliate or sales or affiliate marketing. So it goes straight to the autoresponder, and I'm talking about their email that they opt in with. Then automatically it will take him to the affiliate sales page. This is very important for you to understand. If you don't understand that, it's very difficult to succeed in online marketing. And I'm talking whether it is an affiliate marketing or online marketing, or you want to make money online, you have to understand that. If you don't, your guru is not telling you that. I know that for sure. They're not telling you that. So make sure to pay attention to it because it's free. If you don't appreciate it, then if you think like, okay, only the stuff that is I pay for, I'm going to get benefit out of, I can charge you if you like and if you feel that this is important. So the second thing that is important that is going to happen is called email link buffer zone. These are remember, it goes to your autoresponder. Now the autoresponder, what does it do? You're supposed to be sending people emails because people don't buy from the first hit. Most of them don't. So you have to be sending emails. So you write that emails and you put what? A link to what? You put a link to the affiliate sales page right here. And this is where the issues are, right here. Why is that? Because the autoresponders is the same thing. They just don't like affiliate marketers. And when you are using their platform to send people to a sales page that other affiliate marketers are sending to the same sales page, and they are spamming that sales page. You want to do something different than these guys. In your email that you send in the link, you don't want to send them to the same sales page that other affiliates are spamming. So we're going to do something different, right? Let the other affiliates do that, lose, and you want to win. I have a solution for that. We're going to go to Digistore 24 Affiliate Marketing for Beginners Success Solution Request. What you want to do, put, Mark, please send me the Digistore 24 Affiliate Marketing for Beginners Success Secrets Solution. So Digistore 24 targeted traffic in 24 hours. I know a lot of people having issues when they first get started. They want traffic. Without traffic, you have nothing. I don't care even if you have the best product in the world. Nobody is going to come to you. Let's say you are doing the free traffic with Pinterest. Now, what else you need? You need traffic. You need to get going very quickly. You don't want to sit there and have everybody beat you and you are sit there waiting on somebody, especially if you're getting started. When you put a first pin post, second, third, fourth, remember, other people before you, they already put 20 and 50 and 60 and 100. So you want to beat them. How do you beat them? You beat them by 24-hour targeted traffic. Targeted traffic for the people who are looking for the product that you are promoting. If you already have Pinterest, for example, doing the work, is going to be slow because the law of free traffic is slow. This is the way it is. There's nothing I can do about it. So what happens? You are using two things at the same time. You are using the free and you are using the 24-hour targeted traffic. It's for exactly the people who are looking for the product that you are actually selling. You are getting a targeted traffic very quickly and you can get started making money online with just a few clicks. Remember, for you to get the funnel, you have to be a subscriber and share a video. If you want to make $500 a day with a done-for-you funnel, including the product, click up here. And if you want to make money on Pinterest and learn exactly how to do it, click here. And as usual, I will see you at the top.